First, I measured the amount of PVC I wanted to use for my cane, using a real walking cane as a reference. I cut it down to size with PVC cutters and started to tightly tape up one of the ends of the PVC pipe, closing it up temporarily. I took a bag of sand and a funnel and poured sand into the pipe until it reached the top. Then I tightly taped the second side closed. You can make your cane in whichever shape you like, but I wanted to copy a curved shape, like this one. To do that, I used an old cup as a mold. Wearing a gas mask and having proper airflow in the room, I used a paint stripper to heat the pipe to make it soft. I held the curve over the pipe for a few minutes to help it keep its shape. The sand is the secret ingredient to help the pipe stay as round as possible. Here you can see an early comparison of a real cane versus the PVC pipe cane. Now I carefully removed the tape and poured the sand back into the bag. I used my PVC cutters to trim the pipe to my desired size. Using a paint stripper, I crimped both edges and folded them over while it was soft. Then, using a Dremel stone bit, I sanded both edges round. To create a wood grain texture, I used a drill and a wire brush attachment, and repeatedly used it all over the cane, creating scratch-like indents, aka wood grain. The wire brush will rough up the PVC, so I grazed over it with sandpaper to smooth it out without taking away the quote-unquote wood grain indentations. Using gloves and a paper towel, I coated the PVC in my desired wood stain. The cane is now done. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.